Jackman 44 diesel 8-ton live fish truck. It will have the following characteristics: dual diesel oxygenator plus electric oxygenation system. One machine supports 6 barrels, equipped with low-pressure disperser. Each barrel is equipped with 2 oxygen outlets as standard to ensure the uniform distribution of oxygen in the water. Can support the pipeline presetting of liquid nitrogen oxygen cylinder system. Optional water refrigeration circulation system. Auxiliary temperature control to extend the survival time. The survival rate within 300 kilometers is as high as more than 99.5%, and long distance